Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to brew an iced coffee with the Keurig K Classic, model number K50. So this is one of Keurig's most popular Keurig machines. It doesn't have an over ice function, but that doesn't mean you can't brew a coffee over ice. Here we've got the new K Supreme Plus Smart. It's got an over ice button, which brews the coffee a little bit different. Some of the newer Keurigs, like that K Smart I just showed you, when it brews over ice, it actually varies the temperature of the water going through the K-Cup. Today we're using the K Classic. It's going to brew it like a normal coffee. We're going to use the lowest setting, but unfortunately it is going to brew it at the same temperature the entire time, so you will need quite a bit of ice. So this is a 6 ounce, 8 ounce, and 10 ounce button. I'm going to be using the 6 ounce button. Normally I brew my coffees at 8 ounces, but for over ice I use 6 because so much of the ice is going to melt, it's going to water it down. So you don't have to use these. These are actually Brew over Ice K-Cups by Green Mountain. And if we look at the back, it says fill a 16 ounce tumbler with ice, brew on the 8 ounce setting, use the strong or ice button if available. Now we don't have a strong or a iced button. I'm going to do the 6 ounce setting, and then you add your milk or sweetener. So again, I can brew an iced coffee with just a normal coffee K-Cup. I just did another review on these 16 ounce plastic tumblers from Amazon. These are really nice. Okay, so I use a plastic tumbler. They warn you not to use glass because if you brew hot coffee into a glass filled with ice, it could crack the glass. So now let's use our Brew over Ice K-Cup. We're going to put it in. Again, I'm just going to select the 6 ounce. And it's going to brew right into the 16 ounce tumbler. Now that coffee coming out is really hot, and it's going to melt that ice really quick. What's nice about some of the Brew over Ice Keurigs is they will vary this temperature. It starts out hot, but then it cools off as the brew goes. Okay, so there you've got your Brew over Ice. Let's give it a good stir and see how cold it is. We should be around 30. You want this down to around 35. So right now we're at 43, 40. It's dropping. So it is. You could add a few more ice cubes to it. It's not super cold right now, but you can make a coffee over ice with an older Keurig machine. Add you some milk for some flavor. Now this was a flavored coffee, so it already has the vanilla and caramel, but you could add some vanilla or caramel or any kind of syrup you'd like to that. That's a really good cold iced coffee now. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you could, please like and subscribe.